Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Andre, and I've got some leftover pastrami here, and I've got some dumpling wrappers. Two things I really love, and let's put them together. Let's just dive in. I've got my trusty old food processor here, and what we're going to do, we're just going to make the filling. We're going to take some pastrami, and I've sauteed some onions, and that's all. We're going to make the filling that simple, but we're going to blitz it down because I want it fairly smooth, like, because normally you would use ground pork or something like that, but we don't have that. We have something better, and let's just get to it. Add a little bit. We don't want the onions to steal the show, but we want them to just add that awesome flavor. Anyways, I did have to add a little bit of water because it's very dry actually. But now we've got this paste. Beautiful. Anyways, I'm going to do a little bit more and then we're going to get to filling them. We don't need to add any other salt because I salted the onions earlier. That meat has enough salt in it already from being made. We're good. I could have made my own dough. I'm still working on it. So what I did, I went to my local grocery store and I bought the pre-made dumpling wrappers. It's fast, it's easy. And you can hand pinch them if you really want to, if you're talented enough. Or you can take these forms and just use them to put it together. And that's what I'm going to do. It's going to be fast, and just to get through them, one of the wrappers. Put a generous amount of filling, and we're going to just use a little bit of water just to brush around the sides because we need this to stick together. Yep. And yeah. Put a little bit too much in. There we go. You could trim the edge a little bit if you want. I'm not going to, but just like that. Put a little bit less in. Push it nice together, nice and hard. And there you go. It's, I'm going to show you there. Beautiful little package. So I'm going to get through these real quick and then we're going to cook them off. The hard part is done, as you can see. Sorry, put it right there. You know what? I just got on a roll and I just made a whole bunch. At this point too, if you don't want to continue on, you could just take them, put them in a Ziploc bag and freeze them and then use them at a later date. But we're going to cook some off right now. What we're going to do, we're going to just take them, put them in the frying pan with a little bit of oil, and we're going to get them brown on the one side, add a little bit of water, and then steam them. Or you could steam them first and then fry them off. I don't have a steamer, so we're going to do it this way. Just a little bit of oil. And then we're just going to take them, just spread this around a bit. Stand them up. Okay, that's pretty good. We don't want to overfill it, but it's full enough. I just want to show you. Oh, look. I know, come on, focus. You want see that? They're getting some nice color on them. That's exactly what we want. They're almost there. I know, I made a mess. Okay, they've been in there a couple minutes. They've got some great color on the bottom. Now, I don't have a lid for this, so we're gonna use some aluminum foil, and we're just gonna add a little bit of water. A bit more. I'm gonna just cover that like that. Got that covered. I know it's pretty, whatever you want to call it, but it works. We're gonna let them go from like 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure they're soft and beautiful. We're at 5 minutes. Oh, they're looking good. Just a wee bit of water. I'm gonna just let that boil off a little bit more. You know what? I'm gonna cook the rest off, but oh, look at these. So I'm just gonna take one, just to show you guys. Hopefully you focus. There you go. That's the filling. That's the dumpling. That's so good. I whipped together a soy sauce and a few other things, a chili sauce I had, something that you would actually get in the restaurant. I'm gonna take a whole one, dip that in there. Wow, that pastrami in there with those onions done this way as a leftover, fantastic. You know what? They might not be as pretty as a professional, but you made them at home. They taste fantastic. Using that leftover pastrami like this, wow, I'm extremely happy how they turned out. I think your guests would too. So get out there, use your leftovers, don't be afraid of them. You guys know I love doing these leftover videos and then making new and pretty cool meals with it. This is a definite thing you need to try. Get out there, do it. With that being said, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed. Leave me some comments below on what you think I should use either pastrami or brisket leftover for, and turn it into something cool. Thanks for watching. Happy eating.